Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick couple minute video here. So something that I found is that when I exported my values in the beginning, it was just showing just the number, which to be honest is not the biggest issue for me. To be honest, this is the way it would input anyways on the IRS, but just for for it to be easy on the eyes and just to view the PDF easily, formatting with the commas and some decimals. Even the decimals aren't 100% needed because I'll never have, it will always be a whole number. So also, this same PDF that's open here, if I go to that same PDF, I think it's 41. If I preview it in preview, the preview app on Mac doesn't actually format text. I'm sorry, format a field in a number format. I was doing this so many times and I just didn't think it was working correctly until I actually finally opened it up in an actual PDF document editor / Adobe / PDF viewer. So it does work. You just have to do it in a different app other than preview because it just doesn't work in preview. And if you want to set a text field in a PDF and structure it as a number format, meaning that it's like a currency or just a number with commas, or it's actual currency. So what I'm doing here is you're just running the set variable script step, and then MBS, and then the PDF functions, set number format, the PDF that you're targeting, the field of the PDF that you're targeting. This, based off of my assumption, it's comma dot, meaning that it's gonna do the commas in the number first and then the dot for the decimal. Or you can do no commas dot, meaning that the numbers won't have any commas. Dot comma, I would assume that instead of commas in the number, it's dots in the number, and then instead of dots for the decimal, it's a comma for the decimal. Or this would be nothing on the number, same as the none dot, but instead of having a dot for the decimal, it's a comma. So there's that, and then you can have a negative format if it's a negative number. I'm never gonna have negative numbers, so I just put red just in case, but you can leave that link if you want. And then the actual before that is the decimal placement. So if you wanted, like, I could put just quotations here, maybe even 0. Let's try 0. Let's save the script, and then what we'll do is we'll fill that, and then let's export that. And now I'm gonna automatically just start opening these so I can do the full one. So this format, so yeah, so you can do 0 and it doesn't have the decimals, and I probably will end up doing that too. I'll probably just do no decimals because, like I said, it will always be a whole number. So that's the script set with Monkey Bread software, so that you can do number formats. Because I was just getting, like I showed before, it was just exporting as a regular number, and I think at least having the commas would have been nice. And then it was cool that I finally found a set number format for this function, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's all you got to do. It's just set number format, the PDF, the PDF field name, comma for the numbers, so your numbers have commas, the decimal placement, and then a negative color value. This can only be this could be minus black, red, parentheses black, or parentheses red. And then your number, I'm sorry, uh, your currency string, or you can leave this empty if you don't want it to be a currency and just a number. And then one so that the currency is in the front of or on the end of. So that would be the dollar sign in the front or dollar sign in the back. So there you guys go. Took me a little bit while to get this going, but finally figured it out. I just found out that it was the preview app. It doesn't do it correctly. It was working this whole time. Thanks guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks guys.